The Land Rover Defender has a historic association with the United Kingdom, and production originally took place in the Solihull plant in England. However, Land Rover expanded production to other locations in later years. Slovakia. In recent times, Land Rover also began manufacturing the Defender in the Nitra plant in Slovakia to meet global demand and increase production capacity. Gearbox information. The Land Rover Defender has been equipped with different gearbox options over the years, depending on the model and trim level. Traditionally, Land Rover vehicles have offered both manual and automatic transmission options. 1. Manual transmission. Land Rover Defenders often came with manual transmissions, which provided greater control over gear selection, making them suitable for off-road driving enthusiasts who prefer a more engaged driving experience. 2. Automatic transmission. In more recent models, Land Rover offered automatic transmissions, which provide ease of use and smooth gear changes, making them suitable for both on-road and off-road driving. General information. The Land Rover Defender is an iconic off-road SUV that has been in production since 1983. It is known for its robust build, rugged design, and exceptional off-road capabilities. The vehicle's versatility and go-anywhere attitude have made it a popular choice for adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, and off-road enthusiasts. Key features and characteristics. Off-road prowess. The Land Rover Defender is renowned for its off-road capabilities, featuring advanced four-wheel drive systems, sturdy construction, ample ground clearance, and various terrain response modes to tackle challenging landscapes. Box frame chassis. The Defender's design includes a box frame chassis, which adds to its durability and ability to withstand demanding off-road conditions. Classic design. The Defender's design has evolved over the years, but it retained its iconic boxy and utilitarian appearance, paying homage to its heritage. Interior versatility. The interior of the Defender is designed to be practical and spacious, providing ample cargo space and the ability to configure seating arrangements for different purposes. Other information. Heritage and legacy. The Land Rover Defender has a rich heritage, with its roots dating back to the original Land Rover Series I, introduced in 1948. Its legacy as a rugged and reliable off-roader has made it a beloved vehicle among enthusiasts worldwide. Reimagined model. In 2020, Land Rover introduced an all-new generation of the Defender, featuring modern updates while preserving its core off-road capabilities and distinctive design cues. Range of configurations. The Defender has been available in various body styles, including the iconic 2-door, Defender 90, and 4-door, Defender 110 and Defender 130, variants. Different trims and option packages offered a range of comfort and technology features. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.